we're going to look at how you convert mixed numbers into improper fractions. So first, let's talk about the big picture stuff. What is a mixed number? So a mixed number is where you have whole numbers and fractions as well combined, right? So you know that this image shows 2, 3, let's do this first. It shows 2 wholes and 3 quarters, right? Okay. Now, if you want to convert this into an improper fraction, you would count each individual quarter, right? So if you wanted to know how many quarters 2 wholes was, you would know that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's going to be 8 quarters, 9, 10, 11. So this is 11 quarters. So that's just 2 ways of saying the same thing. This image here shows 2 wholes and 3 quarters, and it also shows 11 individual quarters. And that's an improper fraction. And you know an improper fraction, you know what it looks like. It's got the bigger number on the top, the numerator, and the denominator is smaller. Mixed numbers are always the easier way to understand a fraction, but sometimes you will be in a situation where you have to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. You'll see why later. Okay, so there's a trick though. What happens if you have big numbers that are a mixed number, like 9? You don't want to draw out 9 wholes and split them up. So there is a trick. So what you're going to do is, let's say you have 9 and 2/5. And you want to figure out, well, how would I convert that into an improper fraction? There's a little trick. What you're going to do is you're going to multiply the denominator, the 5, the fifths, by how many wholes there are. That will tell you how many fifths there are in 9 wholes. So we're going to do 5 times 9 is 40. So just keep that 40 in your head. 5 times 9, sorry, is 45. I don't know what I'm saying. 45. 5 times 9 is 45. And then you're going to add the leftover fifths. The leftover fifths is the 2. That's a bit like what we did here, right? These were the leftovers. So 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 2 is 47. So that means that 9 and 2/5 is the same as 47 fifths. So that's the shortcut when you have bigger numbers and you can't draw out a picture. So what happens if you had, let's do another one. Let's say 8, and let's do 6 tenths. Well, first you're going to figure out how many tenths there are in 8 wholes. So you're going to multiply. 10 times 8 is 80. You can either keep it in your head or put a little note to yourself there. And then you're going to add the leftover tenths. There are 6 of them. So it's going to be 80 plus 6 is 86 tenths. And let's just do one more just to make sure we're good with this. Let's do 5 and 4/6. We're going to do 6 in how many 6 there are in 5 wholes. So we're going to multiply them. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 4, which is the leftover 6. 30 plus 4 is 34 sixths. There you go. That's how you convert a mixed number into an improper fraction.